So if the bank is giving you trouble, remember, we've got a large list of preferred lenders we work with. And some of them are non-bank lenders and way more aggressive and have their a little bit different underwriting guidelines. But listen, if you have a project, it's an owner-user SBA type deal, just remember there's ways to do these deals, because I just got a letter of interest on a deal that was very challenging, and I'm going to get it done with a non-bank SBA partner of mine.
Welcome to the Investor Financing Podcast, where we interview real estate investors and lenders so you can learn all the secrets to getting your projects funded and scale your portfolio. And now, your host, Bo Eckstein.
Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Investor Financing Podcast. And I'm your host, Bo Eckstein. And on today's show, we're going to discuss non-bank SBA financing. So not every SBA lender is a bank. And so I work sometimes with non-bank SBA lenders. And why are these non-bank SBA lenders out there? It's because sometimes they'll do a little bit outside the box type SBA deals. For an example, I have a project I'm working on right now, and it was very challenging trying to find a bank. I work with a lender partner of mine, and they said, listen, if you can get CDC approval, meaning SBA approval, for the second loan on the SBA, because there's a first and second, and the second's the CDC SBA piece, right? If you can get approval from SBA, we'll do the first loan. We'll bank this loan. And on a construction deal, they're going to fund the first piece and the second piece, the interim construction loan. And then once there's certificate of occupancy, then the B piece or the second loan gets purchased essentially by the SBA or the nonprofit, the CDC, right? And then it goes into a fixed rate, 25-year AM. Right now it's sub 3% on a 25-year fixed rate. But the point is that there are these non-bank SBA lenders, not just for the 504 program, but also for the 7A program. And they can do a lot of really cool stuff.
You're listening to the Investor Financing Podcast. We'll be right back after this break.
Are you in the market for a commercial loan? Did you find the perfect opportunity but need funding? Have a special situation? At Find the Bank, you will get quotes with competitive rates and terms from multiple lenders without any hassles. Have a multifamily property, construction project, owner-user property, industrial, mixed use, hotel? At Find the Bank, you can get nearly any kind of commercial financing. The process is simple. Once you send us some information about you and your property, we send back a quote sheet. Then we quickly connect you with an advisor. You won't spend hours calling multiple banks trying to find the right person to talk to. We'll connect you fast to the right person, hassle-free. Better terms than you could get on your own. Go to findthebank.com and complete the form. An advisor will be connected with you within minutes to discuss your specific financing needs.
So if the bank is giving you trouble, remember, we've got a large list of preferred lenders we work with. And some of them are non-bank lenders and way more aggressive and have their a little bit different underwriting guidelines. Don't overlay SBA's guidelines like a lot of banks seem to overlay, which means they put on their additional underwriting criteria. So anyway, this is just a very short episode, but listen, if you have a project, it's an owner-user SBA type deal, just remember, there's ways to do these deals, because I just got a letter of interest on a deal that was very challenging, and I'm going to get it done with a non-bank SBA partner of mine. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this show and for all the shows you've watched in the past. I will continue to shoot more and more episodes and also bring on more guests, so I'm not always talking. But anyway, thank you and have a terrific day.